This waterproofing membrane is made from high-quality polyvinyl chloride resin and reinforced with strong polyester fabric. It resists weathering, tearing, and temperature changes, as well as exposure to chemicals like acid and bases. The 2 to 3 meter roll width reduces seams, speeding up installation. Heat-welded seams form a continuous, secure barrier for maximum protection. This product is fire-resistant, eco-friendly, and can be applied on slightly damp surfaces. We offer custom sizes and colors, reliable production, on-time delivery, and excellent after-sales service to support your project.